Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ClassDojo how to send a message. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now if you are a teacher and you want to send a message, what you need to do is head over and open up your ClassDojo app and then log into your account as a teacher. Now what you need to do is choose the class you want to send the message to, and once you have selected the class, on the bottom here you'll be seeing the chats option. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping it you'll be seeing the another button, that is message button. Simply tap on that. Now on tapping it you'll be provided with two options, that is new group and mass message. Either you can select the new group or you can send the same message separately as well. So once you have selected, all you gotta do is select the students and then create your group, or you can just simply go back and type in the mass message, and here you'll need to select the group and then tap on next, and once that's done all you gotta do is send your message. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.